Well, I've made quite a few videos of myself travelling around the state, but I've neglected to make any videos of the beautiful town that I live in. So let's get that done now. Welcome to Sunbury. One of the great things about Sunbury is that you can travel all around the town without having to use roads, because it's filled with all these reserves and walkways. Some of the country around here is absolutely splendid, especially on a beautiful day like today. Let's have a look around. So dotted throughout the parklands, people have just come and built these little fairy villages around the bottoms of trees. Of course, the kids love them. A lot of the bike trails run along the creek beds that run throughout the town. This one's fairly dry at the moment. So there's the creek and there's the bicycle lane, or the pedestrian, dog walking, bicycle, any non-motorised vehicle really. A lot of people ask me about the bike. What make is it? I'd almost forgotten because I covered up all the decals with the fishing stickers. But it is in fact a Monster Pro 505S V2 Uber electric bicycle. It's a bit of a mouthful. They don't actually make them anymore, so I bought 3 of them. So I've always got spare parts into the foreseeable future. Someone else asked me what kind of camera gear do I use. Well, it may come as no surprise that I actually only use my phone, which is a Samsung S20 FE, and that seems to do the job for me. I'm thinking about getting a wireless microphone. But let's get on with enjoying this day. So suburbia on one side of me, the creek bed on the other. And that's how we roll here in Sunbury. And as you'll notice, the cycleway forks off in various different directions, and that enables you to pretty much access most parts of Sunbury without using the road system. Look out, little top knot. That'll do you no good. Oi. And we're just arriving at Stavum Lake. It's a beautiful resource to have in the middle of our town.
I carry her all my days, wherever I go. She's taken me everywhere we've been, singing on city streets, the people that we meet, relationships so sweet and so far. Here's a song from you to me, wooden friend on my knee. Without you it would never be complete. This old guitar sure sounds sweet.
Kind of nice, the combination of people's lovely gardens and the natural bush and beauty of the town. path exits into all of these cul-de-sacs, one of which I actually live on. There's so much more I could show you around Sunbury, and I probably will. That'll do for today. My exit is coming up soon. I might as well ride you all the way to my street, which isn't very far. Here we go. Well, that was a pleasant interval in my day. Tonight I'll be running an open mic night at a local venue called Sound System Studios. And it must be school pickup time because my street is full of cars, parents wanting to pick up their children. But here I am, back at home. Well, thanks for joining me.